Hello grade 6, hoping you are doing well. In this video I'll show you how to locate the points and the polygons on the coordinate system. So first, what is the coordinate system? The coordinate system is a way to describe the address of any point. Like if you have a point x and y, then x means the number of the building and y means the number of the floor. And if you have the x-axis and the y-axis, x counts the number of the building, like we have building 1, building 2, building 3, building 4, and so on. And y-axis counts the number of the floors, floor 1, floor 2, 3, 4, and so on. At the corner we have the origin point, which is 0 and 0, 0x and 0y. And why we have origin point, why we have 0? Because as your ruler you begin with 0, not with 1. You begin with 0 and then 1 and then 2, and the y-axis begin with 0, 1, 2, and so on. So let's practice and look at the points. First, the point A, 1 and 3. The first projection is the number of the building. The second projection is the number of the floor. So 1 and 3 means the first building, floor number 3. That's it. Point A. Bring a paper with this small squares, draw the axes, put the numbers, and practice with me. Point B, 3 and 1. Again, we begin with the number of the building. Building 3. This building 3. Floor number 1. We move up till we meet floor 1. This is A and B. Point C, 2 and 6. Building 2, floor 6. Building point D, 6 and 2. Building 6, floor 2. This is D. Point E, 9 and 3. Building 9, floor 3. This is E. F, 10 and 2. Building 10, floor 2. This is F. G, H and 10 and 1. Building 10, floor 1. Point G. Point H, 10 and 0. This is the building number 10. Where is the floor number 0? It is on x-axis. So when y equals 0, that means that the point lies on x-axis, because we don't have numbers of floors. We don't have the number of the floor. Let's continue. Point L, 2 and 7. Building 2, floor 7. This is, sorry, it's I, not L. It's point I. Now, point J, 1 and 7. Building 1, floor 7. J. Point K, 0 and 7. Building 0 and move to floor 7. This is point K. And when x equals 0, the point lies on y-axis. Point L, 4 and 0. Building 4, floor number 0. That's L. That's lie on x-axis. Point M, 3 and 0. This is point M, lies on x-axis. Point N, 0 and 9. 0 and 9. Lies on y-axis. Let's do another question. polygon had the vertices A 3 and 3, B 3 and 6, C 9 and 3. Find the area of the polygon. First, we need to locate the points and draw the polygon. Point A 3 and 3, building 3, floor number 3. This is point A. Point B 3 and 6, building 3, floor number 6. Point C 9 and 3, building 9, floor number 3. It's point C. Now connecting these vertices with straight lines, then we have a right angle triangle. We have a right angle triangle. Its base, its AC, equal from 3 to 9. How much do we move? We move 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H equal from point A to point B, from floor 3 to floor 6. We move 3 units. Then the area of the triangle equal half times base times height, equal half times 6 times 3 equal 9 square units. Try to solve the next example yourself. A rectangle had the vertices W 2 and 7, building 2, floor 7. This is the W. Point X 2 and 0, building 2, floor 0. Point Y 6 and 0, building 6, floor 0. Point Z 6 and 7, building 6, floor 7. Connect the points So now we have a rectangle. We want to find its perimeter and its area. First, this length, which is the length here, equal what? 1, 2, 3, 4. The width here equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First, the perimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle equal the summation of all sides. We have 2 lengths and 2 widths. So we can say 2 lengths plus 2 widths, because this 4 is the same as this 4, and this 7 is the same as this 7. So we have 2 times 4 plus 2 times 7 equal 8 plus 14, which is 22 length unit. The perimeter is a length measurement. Okay? Now the area. The area of the rectangle equal length times width equal 4 times 7 equal 28 square units. If you got the same answer, congratulations. Another one. A triangle has the vertices A 4 and 2, 4 and 2. This is 4 and 2, which is A. Point B 10 and 2. Point C 8 and 8. This is building 8, floor number 8, which is C. Connect the points to find the area of the triangle. We need to know base and height. Okay, this is a base. This is a base. How long is the base? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And where is the height? The height is there from point C to base AB, and then measure the height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then H equals 6. So the area equal half times base times height equal half times 6 times 6 equal 18 square units. Another one. Try to solve it yourself. Pause the video and replay. Check your answer. Triangle at the vertices 1 and 0. Building 1, floor 0. This is point A. Point B 1 and 10. This is 1, building 1, floor 10. Point C 8 and 5. Building 8, floor 5. That's it. Connect the lines. Drawing the height. Count the base and height. The skill here or where to choose your base and where to choose your height, because if you choose this base, the height you can't measure. This height you can measure. And if you choose this base, this height you can measure accurately. Okay, so you have this base, which is straight AB, straight base, and the height from C to base AB. Now calculate the base and height. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Height equals 7. The base 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So B equal 10. The area equal half times base times height equal half times 10 times 7, which is 35 square units. Feel free to ask any questions. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.